Are Republican primaries becoming Trump loyalty tests? If you think these elections are just about policies, think again. The loyalty to Trump might be shaping who even gets a chance to run. In recent years, Donald Trump has become the kingmaker of Republican primaries. His endorsements can make or break candidates, while his criticisms often doom campaigns. This means candidates frequently focus more on proving their allegiance to Trump rather than emphasizing traditional conservative policies or their personal platforms. The primary voters, many loyal to Trump, reward this loyalty, turning the race into a test of fealty as much as qualifications. Because the Republican base often views Trump as the party leader, many potential GOP candidates hesitate to run if they lack his backing. This discourages moderate or dissenting voices from entering the race, reducing the variety of viewpoints presented to voters. The result is fewer policy debates and a more uniform party message centered around Trump's agenda and persona. Voter priorities in GOP primaries have shifted noticeably. Instead of focusing on classic conservative issues like tax policy or national security, many Republican voters now rank loyalty to Trump as a top criterion. This shift means that candidates who echo Trump's rhetoric or promise unwavering support tend to perform better, even if their policy details are vague or inconsistent. While loyalty to Trump energizes his base, it also creates risks for the Republican Party overall. Alienating moderates and independents could hurt GOP chances in general elections. Moreover, the emphasis on loyalty can deepen internal divisions, making it harder for the party to unite behind a single candidate or platform when it matters most. So are Republican primaries becoming Trump loyalty tests? The evidence suggests yes, with candidates and voters alike prioritizing allegiance over traditional issues. This shift reshapes the party's future and how democracy operates within it. If you want daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and never miss out.